Once I've made it this far into the PDSA Final Assessment assignment, you should be able to see Step 3 folder. As it says here, make copies of all 4 PDSA templates. When you click the links for the 4 PDSA templates, it will require you to make a copy of each, and you have to make sure to remember that you remove copy of from each of them and move each of them to the appropriate folder in your Google Drive. So it should go something like this. These 4 links will be here, and I will click this. Sometimes it'll automatically open, and if it doesn't, then you just click this little thing here, and this is what you should see. Would you like to make a copy? Yes. So you click make a copy, and then it does that work for you. You will remove copy of, you'll add your name, and then of course you're going to click this little gray folder, and you're going to move it into your Cyclones folder, into ELA Writing, into Unit 1, and finally into your Schoology folder.